Hi, this is a demo application developed using Domino to demonstrate the integration of ZIETrans APIs in the Domino workflow. Here, the workflow is about credit limit update processing. In this workflow, we have three roles involved: IT staff who submits these credit limit updates on behalf of customers, and the wealth manager who validates and processes these requests, either approve or sends for exceptional approval in case of high risk or medium risk, and the level 2 approver who will process all these exceptional approvals. Whether the level 2 approver rejects or approves depends on the manual decision of that approver. Let me walk you through the demo here. IT team, logging with IT team. To submit a request. Here some of the data is being automatically loaded from the mainframe. If you observe the customer name, credit score, all these through ZIETrans API, these are fetched. Submit. As part of the workflow defined, once the IT team submits the request, an email is sent to Wealth Manager. Let us log into the Wealth Manager's account. As you see, an email is sent here automatically. Wealth Manager can click on the URL to access the request. As you see, this is the newly added request by ITT. As you notice here, what we entered was 5,500, but 6,000 was the entry which is in the mainframe records. So workflow validates and automatically corrects the data and then projects the calculated risk, everything on the corrected data. Since the risk is identified to be low for the 16% hike of the existing credit limit, once the approver one, who wealth manager, approves, it will be automatically updated and the workflow is ended for this particular request. There is no exceptional approval is required. Let us go back to access another entry which can go to the exceptional approval. As you see, this entry's risk is identified to be too high because upgrade is expected to be 100% on the current credit limit and credit score is very bad, 350. So once it is approved here, as per the workflow, after wealth manager's approval, it should be going for the exceptional approval. Let's click on the approve now. As you see, the message says the request has been sent to L2 approver. Let's log out from this and access L2 approver's page. There is a new email sent now. This link directly takes the user to the L2 approver page. We can access all these the previously submitted entry. Just now what we submitted was 10051. Can access the same. And we can just say reject in this case, since we have already seen the approval case from the wealth manager. So once the request is rejected, the workflow is closed for this particular entry.